Welcome to OLOPRV.
I'm Curtis.
I'm Jonathan, and welcome to our channel.
Yes.
And
It's a special day here at OLOPRV.
Yeah, we have yet to celebrate our birthday for 1 year for YouTube, so we decided to do that today and share it with y'all. And just because we've been so busy with Halloween, and we had the crud, and what else?
Then we had the crud.
And, yeah, we both had the crud. We all have crud. But we feel really good today, and we wanted to celebrate because we feel like celebrating with y'all. So, welcome to 1 year, and we finally got the bus listed this week, and it looks really good. And I will share that link down in the description below. So please click on it if you'd like to see more and know more about our bus, that kind of thing. Yeah. But other than that, it's going to be really short and sweet, just to say, touch bases with y'all since it's been almost a week and a half since we've posted anything. So we're very sorry, but we just had his family we spend a lot of time with, and life happens all the time with us. So.
But we're back home and ready to start on a box truck.
Yes, and we got everything cleaned out of here, so I'm actually going to do a fast walkthrough of how it looks when it's actually clean, or nothing in it, I should say, because that's the only time anything's clean with us. Yes. But we like to show us as we really are, and we don't hide anything.
Yeah, can you tell I just got through washing the car?
Yeah, he just got done washing the car. He'd be all right.
Hot and sweaty. So, for our birthday celebration, Johnny's made a special OLOPRV treat. It's
really corny, but I didn't want a whole lot of cake because we're still on our diet, even though we've been slipping the last week and a half with this family and what we've been doing. So we've been slipping on our diet, but we didn't want to go crazy on sweets for our birthday, for the YouTube birthday. So,
without further ado,
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So let's switch hands now. So go ahead, Curtis, light us up.
So here's our specialty. You need to focus it.
Oh, I know.
Goodness.
He's not a good lighter, I don't think. So it says OLOPRV. I hope y'all like it. We have eggnog in here. I like
air
eggnog.
conditioner's blowing it out.
Isn't it? Come on, Curtis. Oh, how cute. I've never seen one of those things do that. How cool is that? Let's take it out and leave it. Don't burn us down. No. I thought it was supposed to sing to us.
No.
It's supposed to be musical.
And in here we have our eggnog. It's not spiked because it's not even noon here, so. Krispy Kreme donut.
You gotta add my favorite, that's why we did Krispy Kreme.
And then chewy snack bars.
Yep.
We love it.
We love our chewy snack bars. We don't feel so unhealthy when we eat those. What did you do?
Move the donut.
How cute is that, Curtis? You love it?
Yes. And thank you to our 506 subscribers. We haven't made it to the 1,000 yet, but we're still working on it. And hopefully you're enjoying our content, because we do enjoy making the content.
We really do.
It's harder to edit than you think, but we do try to make good content and let you know how it's really going.
And we'll get better. We're getting a little faster. It's just for taking a lot longer on this since we've started our new Final Cut Pro, whatever. But other than that, if y'all don't mind, whatever is your favorite video of ours, just share it on any of your Instagram, Facebook, any social media at all, just to show your love, and maybe we'll get our subscribers a little faster.
And if this is your first time here,
don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share, bing. You want to do a toast, Curtis?
Yeah.
This is yours, actually. What you doing, honey?
Oh, nothing, honey.
So I wanted to walk through real fast just to show you that when we have nothing in here, it does get clean. Oh, we still got clothes. I forgot to take clothes out.